Welcome back again. It's your
in a
girl
number
Atta
of
for the
robbery
press.
sprees
Well, my
in the
people, me here
commercial
for drop the real news,
spaces of Negril,
news,
Good
reviews,
Hope and
everything
other
in a
major
one
towns
right
in
there,
the
so right
parish
there,
since
my
the start
people.
of this
So
week.
all I want to know
On
if you do is
Friday,
like up the video,
robbers held up
share out
and
the
robbed
video,
4 business
subscribe to my channel, my
establishments,
people. And if
3
you're new
bars
to
and
my
a
channel,
supermarket
welcome.
between
Let's
Orange
get
Hill
right
and Namperl
into
Road
it.
in the Negril space, making off with an undetermined sum of money, game boxes and top shelf liquors. The people, them your money mean business, them your money serious. Not even
A
Judge Judy no
corrupt
serious like them your
government
money.
cannot
Seriously.
liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Blessings again, my wisdom warriors. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. Today, I have few things to talk about, but first thing I want to do, I want to share some of my supporters' comment and, have a little discussion about it. So, one of my supporters commented, and his name is Paul Palmer 5951. He said, Juliet Wholeness didn't you see you're not able to buy out true Jamaicans who mean Jamaican well? So now you taking it to court. It's good over evil, Juliet Wholeness. You're too corrupt. Who believes that Juliet Wholeness is really corrupt? You can put it in the comment section, because I agree with this gentleman. Yes, man, I agree with this gentleman. She only want to take it to court just because she want back the KSAMC. Yes, and that she want to do, my wisdom warriors. Just because she want back the KSAMC, this is why she's taking it to court. Because remember, it already gone in at the Supreme Court. Me not understand why. I just do not get it. But it's true, them have enough things to hide. My wisdom warrior and the mayor out for them, and that are them problem. That are them problem. You get me? So Paul Palmer, thanks for sharing this. Doreen Bryan says, my views on the water situation are that the government is forcing the people to buy water from the private people who own tankers. Next, NWC is not going to take the losses when those communities are not paying water bills for a couple of months. We, the honest people who are paying, we will see lots of increases in our water bills. I agree with you, Doreen. A true you attack, Doreen, a true you attack. It makes sense. It really do make sense. Guess what now? Because my understanding is, the chalk, listen, before me say it, this is not my views, but me get information on it. So I'm just only sharing it with you guys. It has come to my understanding that the whole of the tanker them belongs to the MP them, allege. The whole of the tanker them belongs to the MP them. You understand? And when I get to understand, say, I sell them, even the drum what Andrew only say I give to them, I sell it to the people. I say all one person, I get all 5, 6, 7, 8 drums, one person, and it's a Jamaica Labour Party people them may talk about, JLP people them. You understand me? JLP people them. So the whole of them will own the tanker them now. What them a do? Them a sell water. That me I get to understand. And the drum them what Andrew only say my issue out. One person, I get all 5, 6, 7. And when that person get it, they're selling it. So how comes Jamaica can benefit from it? These things you don't need to go out and protest. You don't need to go out and protest. When you don't see these things are happen, you have to come together and go protest, because you can't have, you see, all of this is trollings. All of this is trollings. I know MP no fear do this. I believe that these things need to be given out to the school, to the churches, and let them give it out. No, not the MP, because guess what? The MP them, they only give some particular persons, people where them know. You understand? And it come like, if you're not PNP, you're not going to get none. It is not right. You understand me? It is not right. So, Doreen, I agree with your comment. Last but not least, user VC1F07RM9Z say, why didn't he allocate this $150 million for purchasing new pumps? Wanna hear that? Wanna hear what the user say a while ago? One of the supporters is asking a question, Andrew Wholeness is asking a question. Why didn't you allocate the $150 million for purchasing new pumps? You know, so the community them need new pumps. Remember, say, go in the community and take out pumps. So now go fix pump. All now you can't fix pump. How much months now you can't fix pump? So why you never do the Jamaican people a favor and fix the pump them? Why you not talk about you fix the pump them and give them extra jump then? Put it like that. Put it like that. Fix the pump and give them extra jump. If you don't want to give out something, if you look good. You get me? But this it don't make no sense in a 2024 right now. It don't make no sense. So if people don't have to depend on Uno, where Uno not reliable, hey, Jamaican people, Uno better get up and stand up, Uno stop sit down now, Uno sit down too much. A time for Uno stand up now. You understand me? A time for Uno stand up now. Because if this a mania have $150 million and they not think to fix the pump, me can't understand. They cannot think to fix the pump. It don't make no sense to me. It don't make no sense. And them not always reliable. But Andrew Holness have a trick. You know hear me? He have an agenda. He have something up him sleeve. He want Jamaican people to depend on him. And that go happen. Una go depend on him. And una go wait on water. Una say, when water truck a come. When what? And no water truck now come nowhere. I'm sorry for nobody no. Really and truly. And all the people I go sell what gallons of water. I go sell no amount of water for how much money. I say, uno packet I go burn no. You think a joke? When Andrew Holness come with the jump, uno should not take it. When Andrew Holness come with in tank, uno fi say no, fix the pump. At the pump we want. Uno fi stand up for one. Uno no want the pump. Uno no want the pump fi fix. Uno need new pumps. You understand? So uno fi demand it. Cause they have the money sit down pan. Sender says water is what people needed constantly. Yeah, so quick fixes won't work. And I agree with him. I totally agree with him, true. Because I just feel like the government up to something, my wisdom warriors. Yes, man. Yeah, me feel like they up to something. Because them, listen, the people, them, it not go help. It just not go help. It just not go help. It not go work. Because when they come around with the intact the little 1-2 time, that's it. We not go sit down and wait for water. Well, somebody link me and tell me, say, in a Westmoreland, 2 days straight, water fall in a Westmoreland right now, 2 days straight, which is a good thing. You understand? Which is a good thing. Nobody else never link me and tell me about the other parishes them. But in a Westmoreland, for sure, rain did a fall for 2 days straight. They took the day before, yesterday, and yesterday itself. So, user, sender, I agree with you. This is a good question to ask Andrew Holness. Why never use the money and fix the pump? You understand me? But you don't know them already. They always do things back way. They not have no vision. So everything them do, them always go back way. You don't see 2024, a new pump we need. The pump they need to fix running water. And then gone backward and give people job and go come run with that. You know, so they not no sense. My wisdom warriors, hear this. Shadow Minister on Water urges government to address drought crisis, with several parishes across the island currently experiencing severe drought conditions. Shadow Minister on Water, Ian Hales, is expressing alarm that water trucks he said were procured by the last People's National Party PNP government have been left in a state of disrepair. When you hear them something, I know. Enough of the things them with PNP implement. You see, Andrew Holness, she come, yeah, and this implement them. Everything you see him come, he mash up. Everything he come and see good, he mash up. The one Andrew Holness yesterday. Me don't understand him. Me do not understand this man. You understand? And then I act swiftly. Because from when every day they end up on social media, we're going to address the drought. We're going to fix the drought. Over 2 weeks now. And nobody now get nothing. All people are get a so drum. Yeah, people are get so drum, and I know everybody. You have one somebody, as I said before, somebody I get too much drum in a 1 yard, and people really need drum to fill up with water. Me tell us that them are people and not care about Jamaican people. They not care. My wisdom warriors, me go show you something. Take in the clip here, and then we elaborate on it. Hear this.
Parliament for Western Westmoreland. I don't like to come on here and discuss things that are disturbing, but sometimes it is so wrong that you have to discuss it. And you have to cry shame on it. So, I want to have a talk with the JLP councillors and the JLP member of parliament. I want to have a conversation with them. You see the water tanks that the JLP government given to give out? Stop giving one person 5. Wanna stop it.
Wanna hear that, my viewers and subscribers? Right now, as somebody yard, you know. Wanna see them the drum there? Wanna hear that? One person will get 5 drum, you know. One person will get 5 drum, my wisdom warriors. And when they get the 5 drum, wanna go hear what they do with it. Hear more.
Wanna stop it. It's not right. If you look in this one person yard, they have 2 hook up already. I wanna still give him 5. Wanna do even pick 5 labor right, extra labor right for give one. And pick 5 extra labor right for them get 1 each. Wanna give one person extra 5. And the people them are selling it. It's a damn shame. This person have 2 in them yard hook up already. And we wanna give him an extra 5. Sat there the whole yard full. And him sell some of them. And I go and call on the government, you know. I go and call on the government. If you not go and give out the water tank them, don't send it to people yard for them give it out. Don't send those that are connected to you. This person yard had 35 in it up to Saturday.
My wisdom warrior, wanna say what I go and do? Wanna say what I go on? Tell me if this a government here and them are people who call themselves leader like Jamaican people. They only give it out to particular persons, and when they give them it, they must sell it. It's not supposed to be like that. They no fear give nothing to no particular person. No fear send no drum and nobody yard. Then if you have some places like this, like a school or a hall. You understand when I try to show you some place? A church, and they can't use the church hall. They have church halls. You understand? School on the weekend. You have school. You can't use it. And the people then come. No MP and no councillor. No for be in charge of this. Them are something you no fear. I'm glad how Ian Hells find out about this. I'm glad for show up the government. Because we know some politics business there go on. We know how them stay. You can't imagine a drought. My wisdom warriors, a drought. Them claim say Jamaica go through drought. Yeah, drought, however they want to call it. And then take the drum them. I give to one person, all 5, 6. And then the person sell them to people. People cannot afford it. They must sell it. Jesus and mercy, me no know. Me no understand. Me just don't get it. If people they know what going on in the community, they all know what happen. You understand me? They must something me no right. So wait there. If uno look on this, remember say a drought, then say Jamaica. This to show say uno government no like uno brother. The government no care about uno. Imagine a drought. And them must send a drought, where one person every yard fi have 1 drum. Put it like that. Every yard fi get 1 drum. And 1 yard already have 2 and 5 more. And they must sell it. Come on. This is an emergency. This is urgent situation we're dealing with right now. Me tell you, say, and when we brothers and sisters are going to rise up and understand and show love to them one another. Never. You know why? Because Andrew Wellness not show no love. MP not show no love. Councillor not show no love. Because the councillor, them same one, I give it out to who them like, and then them the people they know are sell it. I will not even know if the councillor and them even come to a decision and I sell it too. We don't even know. You get me? Them are something you're not right. Them are something you're not right. You can't say your country. I go through drought. Andrew Wellness stand up. Every day you come out and I hype 150 million. 150 million, him say, fi tank and 1 bag of something and him a go give out drum. You understand me? And this a happen right now. Them a something you not right, my wisdom warriors. How them something you have to write? How them something you have to write? And that more than like for know. Because me not understand this. Me not understand this, Because how one person And look, a be a JLP people, them a get jump. Pure JLP people a get jump. Pure JLP. And one JLP I get all 6, 7 jump. 3, 4 jump. And I wanna say a drought. And people need water. Boy, you know wicked, you know? You know wicked to Jamaican people. You know wicked bad. I mean, I know when remember, you know, Jamaican said them experience drought. So me say if we not go sit back and allow Andrew illness and in cronies for deal with you know like shit. Let me see for that you not go really do. Cause some of you don't have no sense, you know. Some of you really not get it in our head all now. Me say me glad how this man I go find out what go on. Me glad. Oh, una fair sell I send jump and I send the jump to people's yard. Una can't do that. Una supposed to make some other governing body deal with the drum. Or una make the drum them go to schools or go to the churches them and the churches them give out the drum to the people them in our community. Una not easy. Una can't bow una give una MP it. If una give una MP it and una MP I go give it to the councillor. The councillor only I go give it to for them own people. What about the PNP? This is not right, my wisdom warriors. This is really not right. This is unfair. This is showing us that the government are killing one kill no half. I don't know what you going to say. You want to delete the whole of you. And that thing want to do. Because if a drought, and people right now a drought, this is an emergency situation. It is urgent. And you not going to sell jump. This is a madness. Madness.
I sell or not sell it. I want to know want the money. We are going through a crisis. One heart there. You could have picked 5 labor right and give one each. Count on and give the PNP as I said before. But no worry. 1 more year. Time come. Time soon come.
Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Wanna hear that? They not give the PNP, as I said before. They're not giving nothing to the PNP. And look, they not even really care about the JLP people them either. Because them only give one person 5 jump. And you hear what the man say, even give other labor right 111. No, they must sell it. So this and now is the time to get rid of them. Now is the time to get them out. Because they no mean we no good. So I don't know what this mean now. This means say the PNP councillor, them PNP caretaker, them have to go in their own pocket and buy the Jamaican people them jump. That them have to go do. You understand? That them have to go do right now. Mark Golden more than like if I run out on this for hear your thoughts. You understand? Because them as something is unacceptable. Right now, the people them are go through crisis. And all even when them are go through crisis, them still a sell. Why you love so much money, sir? All when the people them a go through crisis, the people them a suffer. Yeah? And a drought time now, and still a sell. Eh? Uno still a sell. What wrong with you? Uno love sell, so. Eh? What wrong with you? Uno do not have the Jamaican people interest at heart. Me always come over here and say so. And when me talk, me not talk with water in my mouth because it is just the truth. And when people talk about the truth, Andrew Holness him not like it. They know exactly what them a do. It's a money making thing. That for sure they corrupt. You see what me I tell you now? They corrupt. This is why they can't sign the code of conduct. None of the MP. They not set no example. Andrew Holness not set no example. Because film stream dirty. And from film stream dirty, what we expect. The bottom of the stream I go dirty too. But come on. This is a crisis situation. And nothing. You really don't care. But tell you so I'm going to make Jamaican people suffer on the things they are joke me I make. Yeah, them are going to make them suffer. Because the pump them just need to fix. Why you not fix the pump them? Why you not fix the pump them? No. You choose to send out tank and then after you know what going to happen? You know what happen? Them are going to charge you to fill up on the job. You stay there. My wisdom warriors, you tell me what you think about this. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.
This is a road update for the residents of Southeast England. Many of you would have remembered that 2 years